Energy pod mo sa intro, no? Ha? Nag-ano ba ako sa gitna intro ni mo na yung intro?
Tayo, dapat ikaw.
Pakisuot naman yung mga ano mo, all outfit mo dyan. Guys, special tong araw na to. We will celebrate kasi naka-denim shorts, palda shorts yung kapatid ko. Ayan, naganda-gandahan na naman siya. Ayun. Ay, ano yung nasa tsinelas mo? Ano yan? Patingin. Ano yan? Ano yung pink tsaka blue? Ano yan?
My wallet.
Anong wallet?
This is my wallet.
Patingin nga.
Charan!
Wow! Ano yan? Magkano? Patingin wallet ba talaga may laman?
Yes, of course. Kasi kung may gusto kong bilhin.
Hello guys! May violet! Hala!
Pag may gusto kong bilhin kasi hindi ako minsan nagadala ng bag. So, naglalagay ako ng mga barya-barya dyan.
Pauso ka na naman.
Barya-barya lang yan sa akin.
Paano ka na naman small laude eh?
Kasi
Outfit
kung
muna.
nagkoy sa ganyan yan eh. Saka may kayo.
Outfit check muna. Outfit check. Dali, shout out mo yung outfit mo.
Check.
Aha. Top from?
Top from Guess.
Closer. Aha.
Top from Guess.
Wow. Ano yung shorts mo? Pwedeng tanggalin yung sa harap.
Cover lang sa bilbil sa chan.
Okay. Nice.
Yeah.
From Guess also. Nice. And then, sapatos? From?
Crocs.
From Crocs.
Somehow.
Pitaka from Crocs. And 1,000 pesos from who?
From the 10 Gives.
10 Gives business. Ano, bakit tayo nandito ngayon? Mag-into ka naman.
Guys, nandito tayo ngayon para i-celebrate ang 40th birthday ni Sheena.
40.
Ting, 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 ting. I-advance na natin.
40th pala.
40 na siya.
39.
Okay lang guys, i-40 na natin para isa na lang.
So ngayon, nagpasya kami magtipon-tipon kasi our sister is leaving for the jet plane, right?
Yeah. I'm leaving on a jet plane.
Kasi aalis yung ate namin, pupunta na siya ng Thailand muna. Magbabakasyon muna ang all at maghahanap muna ng sperm donor! Chaching, 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 chaching! Guys, kung may kilala kayo dyan guys na maganda po yung ugali, maganda yung mata, tall, white and handsome.
Wala na dark extra.
Kailangan po namin ng donor. Ay, joke lang ah. Joke lang yun ah.
Dark naman kasi si Sheena.
Yes, kailangan natin i-balance. Muna na kasi yung ate ko. Pero anyway, we are here gathered today in the presence of our Lord. Diba? Dahil kami magsa-celebrate ng kanyang birthday. And we are so fortunate to have this day with our sister. Kasi talagang pinili niya na mag-celebrate before siya umalis. Kaya naman kami dito ay on time. Pero yung birthday celebrant, late. Yung pagkain niya, late. Okay lang sana. Kung meron na yung pagkain, bahala late siya. Para makakain naman kami ng maayos. Pero here with me are my, ayan, yung pinsan ko nga pala guys, single and ready to mingle.
Single yarn?
Yeah, single yarn or engaged yarn? Patingin nga. Hello, single daw yarn. Mag-shoutout ka nga muna sa lahat ng teachers.
Shout out sa lahat ng teacher. Pakatatag lang tayo. Malapit ang increase.
Huwag kayong maarte.
Pagkabayad na mo.
Ay, huwag kayong maarte dahil marami kayong loan.
Makaka-reload na tayo guys! Humanda!
Kumanda yung may mga utang.
Humanda kayo! May reload pala kayo.
And of course, our second sister, yung ikalawa guys, ikalawa sa panganay, si Madam Peps. Hi! Ay, nakilala nyo na yung ate ko. Ang dami kayong nag-view nung part na nagsayaw tayo sa Kidapawan. I think 70,000 views.
Maganda ka daw magsayo, pero puro daw kaliwa. Hoy, aslum ba? Imagine ako tayo
Mag-prepare ka na ng TikTok.
Kalamansi nga. Tart. Tart?
Sis, wait lang. Anong plano natin ngayon? Anong mangyayari today for her
today guys,
to
meron
celebrate
tayong
Ma'am
konting
Sheena?
salo-salo for Sheena's birthday. Of course, siya ang nag-order ng kanyang handa, guys.
At siya ang magbabayad.
Siya magbabayad noon. Bali, nandito lang kami for the support system. para sabihin mabuti siyang tao, may mga bisita siya.
Ano pa? Sino pa yung nandyan?
So meron kaming singer, si Ma'am Love. Hi, Ma'am Love!
Ma'am Love.
Ayan. So, she will make our dinner romantic.
Wow! Love song pala.
Love song.
Pwede hindi love song?
Jolly song.
Jolly song pala.
Variety.
Variety.
Si Ma'am Love.
O, ang galing ng, lagi namin ini-invite yan si Ma'am Love sa mga event.
Yes.
Kasi si Madam, diba?
For events and singer and acoustic and
Yes.
everything genre.
Kasi bakit Madam? Bakit ka nag-i-invite
PM niya
ng
si Ma'am Love, lagay namin sa screen.
number? Okay. Bakit ka nag-i-invite ng singer sa mga events?
Kasi I want to I want to feel the live songs, di ba? Iba naman yung sa TV lang, iba talaga yung alive.
Magkano
via satellite.
Eto, baka may magtanong, magkano yung budget pag gusto mo ng live song?
Pag gusto mo ng live song, mga nasa 3-5
pataas.
Ganyan, depende na
magkano
yun.
yung pinakamahal? Sino yan sila?
Yung mga pinakamahal na invite ko, yung mga tag 15K, pero marami sila, mga 5, 5 to 6 sila. Oo,
I
marami.
see.
Oo.
Okay, thank you, madam. Anong ulam natin ngayon?
So, ang ulam natin ngayon coming na. So, meron tayong shrimp, afritada, beef steak, syempre ang rice, hindi mawawala. Cook, and syempre San-Miglite, pampalamig.
May nagtatanong pala daw, saan daw hugot yung pagiging nakakatawa mo na personality?
Saan
Bakit
hugot?
daw? Oh, I mean, bakit? Anong inspiration? Bakit ka daw nakakatawa?
Kasi
bakit ka daw?
my motto is, life is short.
Ayusin mo yung motto mo, yung
Life is
spell.
short. Because short is a bad paper.
Ay, sorry.
Dapat siya magsayaw.
Guys, finally, the birthday celebrant is here. Ayaw niya pong gumastos sa venue.
Libre venue, guys.
Hindi, may bayad dito, 1,000, di ba, per hour?
Per hour, guys. Kasi ayaw niya mag-ano ng venue. Gusto niya sa bahay ko para libre lang daw. Ting, 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 ting. Tipid tips.
Patingin nga ng bagong gupit.
Oh, grabe. Oh, dalawa. Mga sip-sip ay, mga patagapagmana.
Ganda-ganda. Yak ang plastic nyo. Dalawa kayo.
Magpabayad pa rin ako ng venue. Thank you. Sis, magpabayad pa rin ako ng venue, sis.
May venue fee to, may venue fee. 3.5 daw, and
Hello, welcome to my home.
Wow, sana all my drivers sa birthday.
Baka may love ka, sis. Namainlove ako.
Ay, sa gani ba?
pag-diving mo ay
Wait lang. Mag-shoutout pa ng outfit. Dali.
of course.
Top from.
Kasi yun sa akin.
Okay, go.
China, Bangkok, wardrobe.
Wait pa, top muna. Top from.
Top, hindi kasi siya top set kasi yan.
Okay, go. Set. Stricta ba?
Oh, set.
Okay, go.
Okay, top from
Bagay sa
China,
kanya.
Bangkok, wardrobe.
Nice.
Oh, terno yan sila, skirt. China, Bangkok, wardrobe pa
Chinelas
din.
from. Ganyan pa ng chinelas mo, sis?
from Birkins. And
Then,
Buckle.
Big Buckle.
Big buckle yan.
Bakit
Mahal
kailangan
yan.
Ba't kailangan niyo pala sa
Ulitin.
Big
Baka
Buckle?
naman nila latest.
ano? Latest?
Latest.
And then accessories from.
Accessories from
Wawa.
Cinderella sa Africa Go.
Siya.
Plastic.
Plastic walang bayad yan eh. Okay.
Fully paid yan.
Wait lang, bago ko makalimutan ng lahat, anong wish mo sa birthday mo? Kasi wala na tayong time. Bago ka mabuntis, anong wish mo?
Ano lang, good health. Peace of mind.
At peace of mind. At peace of mind.
Oh, siya ng Thailand, guys. Maganyan siya. Pagbalik. Pagbalik, ganyan na.
Okay guys, so how old are you?
38 years old. Bakit may party? Anong meron? Di mo naman...
It's a surprise!
It's a surprise! How did you know?
Plastic.
How did you know she's a surprise? Pa ganito.
Wala lang, feel niya magalaw.
Ano lang tayo?
Magkain.
lang. Magkain-kain lang.
Wala, hindi ka kasi nagsabi, so siya na lang nag-initiate.
Oh,
So may songer ka ngayon. May songer ka. Oh. Si Ate Love. Bago lang siya natapos, magulit na siya. Alright, so bago pala guys, makalimutan ng lahat.
tingnan natin. Baka meron kailangan din
Ano naman yan sis?
budget ko yan. Natin ang lihin.
Nakabudol ka na naman.
Oh, may regalo.
Oh, hindi regalo, balik mo yan.
Ay pala.
Budget ko yan pag binibili ko ng snacks. Naman, gutom ako minsan.
Pagkutumin, pagbili ng isaw.
Alright, dahil birthday ni Ma'am Sheena ngayon, and I know it will be a regret pag hindi tayo nag-vlog, magtatanong tayo ng mga wishes ng mga tao. Dapat yung wish, oy makinig kayo, dapat yung wish, hindi yung imposible na wish, ano ba? Para naman ma-break yung stigma ng seryoso na wish. At
Imposible na wish.
yung wish na lang na nakakatawa, na pressure ka. Ano wish mo?
Wish na ako kay Ate Shin after 3 months.
Happy birthday.
Ate Shin, happy!
Magsigaw, may microphone.
Ate Shin, happy 40th birthday. Ay, wala man eh. I hope sa mo 3 months sa Thailand kay nana kay baby with blue eyes. Wow!
Binugaw mo pa yung kapatid ko, walang yaka. Okay.
Ikaw sa una mag-isip
Sige, dito tayo. Ano tayo? Ito, wish mo.
Wish ka natin.
Manager ni ano.
Ay, yung tama,
Huwag ka
buntis
mag-wish ka.
ka.
Ayusin mo
Yung tama,
mag-wish
buntis
mo.
na siya.
Mag-greet ka mo. Happy birthday, Shin. Ready, go. Sige, nakita na. Tingnan niya ito pag 16 na siya. Dali.
Single ito guys, single ha. Single na.
Single and ready to?
Mingle.
Mingle!
Okay, go. Wish
Happy birthday, Ate Shin. Wish you all the best. At sana
mo. Seryoso, huwag yung seryoso. Yung magandang
Hindi
wish.
magseryoso di ay. Basta, ang tagin, mabuntis na ka.
Ay! Wishes natin. May hugot. Na-pressure siya.
Hindi na ako Hindi ko maghugot ka, masimulit lang.
Ah! Okay na sa Gani, na-feel na ako. Ay, mag-wish ka kay Ma'am Shin kasi we're not going to, baka bukas magsisi ako na hindi ko kinuha yung moment para mag-wish tayo sa kanya. Okay? So, mag-greet ka muna and then wish. Ready? Go.
Okay, happy birthday, Ma'am Shin. Ang wish ko sa kanya is, I wish her good health and long life pa. Para, maano niya pa yung business niya, mapatuguyod niya pa na maayos. And despite her hectic schedules and stressful environment, I hope she can find peace and happiness in what her is doing. Ganon. Happy birthday!
Wait lang. Ito, may question ako sa iyo, ha? Unexpected question. Kung may, dito sa ngayong birthday ni Ma'am Shin, kung may kailangang baguhin sa kanya, ano yon and why? Go!
Ano siguro, ang kanyang, how she handle her anger issues. Mga ganun siguro. Hello, my God, pero Ma'am Shin, this is the fact.
Ano dapat? Oo, sige, go.
This is
I
the
like
fact.
that.
Yun lang, sana ma-control mo. Paminsan-minsan.
Controlled pa yun.
Controlled pa yun, pero mas controlled pa. Pero we love you, Ma'am Shin, despite all of that. Yes.
Your heart ba ya? If you
Yes.
love her.
Yes,
Okay, where
yes.
is Jet?
Wala si Jet.
Okay.
Sakit yan siya.
Arte. Mag-iyak lang talaga yon. Dito tayo sa kabila. So, sinong representative dito for wish? Sino mag-wish kay Ma'am Shin? Ito na lang, Jasmine. Mag-greet ka muna and then wish mo, okay? Kasi panoorin niya to pag 60 years old na siya. Ready, go!
Hi po Ma'am Shin, happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po sa iyo is have a good life. Then thank you so much po for everything. Then keep safe always. Mamiss ka namon, kayo wala ko na sa balay. Pero along ka lang sa Thailand, Ma'am Shin. I love you so much po. See you soon, Ma'am Shin. Balik lang ha, kay mamiss ka namon ni Grace.
Wag na, doon na lang kayo sa akin ni Grace. Para hindi niyo siya mamiss. Okay, andito naman from Sheena Bangkok Wardrobe, another one. From Jo Marie. Jo, right?
Yes.
Okay, Jo.
Hello. Hello, Ma'am Shin. Happy birthday. I wish you good health po and stay blessed po. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat. Thank you so much talaga, Ma'am Shin, and have a good trip pa Thailand. Sayang hindi po ako makakasabay. Next year na lang, Ma'am. See you soon. Bye-bye.
Sa Thailand next year. Kasi si Olivia na lang, last one. Walang hilakay, ha? Okay, seryoso ni wish.
Hi Ma'am Shin. Magandang gabi sa iyo at advance happy birthday po. And
Sa camera ba?
sana po ay palaging nandyan ang Panginoon at protection. Sana bigyan ka pa ng habang buhay and a good health na protection sa lahat, and sana ingatan mo ang sarili mo, a prayer para yung ang Panginoon ay laging nagsasama sa iyo at sa business mo. Sana more your blessing at thank you sa lahat. At alam ko palagi kang nandyan para sa family ko. Salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin, and thank you talaga at kasabay ng mga family mo. Thank you sa lahat ng family ng Perenyo, and happy trip po. Sana magbalik ka pa para sa amin po at para sa pamilya mo. Thank you, Ma'am Shane. Happy birthday po sa iyo.
Happy birthday to Lord, God bless you. Lord, God bless you. Lord, God, may the Lord, God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday once again, Mom Shina. All right, we were celebrating our birthday tonight. Mom Shina. And of course, on Buyag siya, pumulakawin, malinis si Mamoy. There you go, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Ang dami-dami. May flower ako.
Happy birthday, Ate Shane.
Okay. Ayan. Kompleto ng bisita natin. Let's go. Ayan si Mama. Happy birthday, Ma!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Ayan na guys. Andito na si Mama. So we are almost complete. Wow! Take photo, be. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Let's go. Wow! Yung free yan ba? Yung free yan sa guest?
Yan free no.
Traidor ka.
Ay, wow.
Wow! Oh! Traidor ka sis. Bakit ako walang ganyan sis?
Birthday mo.
Baka lugod yung ibigay.
I-check ha, basta daw niya sa listahan.
Baka malista si.
Wow!
Thank you.
Nice bagay sa'yo sis. Very pretty. Happy birthday!
Thank you guys. Thank you for your surprise dinner.
Yes. Bayaran nyo na. Wow. Kasi naman ang regalo mo, sip-sip ka.
Birthday mo rin sis.
Let's go, let's go.
And keep safe. Bon voyage. Bon voyage. Yes. Keep safe po. Bon voyage. Bon appetit. Tama. Birthday to you. To you.
Kahapon, gusto ko sanang gawin ang video ng birthday ng aking ate na celebration dahil I really wanted to have that episode as a tribute to our eldest sister. Ayan, shout out sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Sheena May Pareño. So, nag-birthday yung ate ko guys 2 days in advance. Kasi umalis siya ng Pilipinas. She had to do something outside of the Philippines. And so, nagpaalam siya sa amin. And then, we had a very intimate birthday celebrations only with family and friends. So, I was able to get few birthday wishes sa mga tao na kilala yung ate ko. And, but I believe hindi ako nakapagsabi ng wish ko. So, nung nakita ko yung video, I know that I have to say something because I really want this video to be a tribute and to be dedicated to our eldest sister. So, kung hindi nyo pa alam guys, ang agwat naming magkakapatid ay tag-2 taon. So, if 34 ako, yung next sa akin na second sister namin 36, and then Sheena is 38, so on and so forth. Ngayon, si ate, ayan, magsimula na ako ng tribute ko ha. I know hindi ko na-ask yung ibang mga kapatid ko about this, but I want to share my side. How is it to be a sister to someone like Sheena May Pareño, para talagang kompleto. So, si ate guys, growing up, I want to share with you. Eto, baka magalit siya sa akin kasi hindi ako nagpaalam, hindi niya to alam. Pero, maganda kasi na malaman ninyo kung bakit ganito kami ka-close. Bakit na-build yung relationship namin over the years. Na para lang kaming magbarkada, na mas pinipili namin yung peace over petty quarrels. Mas pinipili namin na mag-move on sa tampuhan kaysa sa mag-focus dun sa reason bakit kami nagkakaroon ng tampuhan sa isa't isa. I have more memories sa eldest sister ko when I was in college. Nasa university ako guys. I studied in Mindanao State University and I was studying when my sister was also working while studying. Good job. Thank you. Well, also, working student yung aking ate. Kumukuha siya ng course na management accounting that time. And the same university as kung nasaan man ako, MSU. Ayun. I do remember that time na para makasurvive yung ate ko, pumasok siya as katulong guys. Katulong sa isang bahay. Pumasok din siya as kahera, tindera. Halos pinasok lahat ng ate ko yung trabaho para makapag-survive. Kasi nga mahirap talaga kami guys. Pero kahit na mahirap kami, bata pa lang kami, meron na talaga kaming mindset, meron na kaming ambisyon. And alam ko, I'm not saying this because I am making you guys believe using only my words. Pero kung may mga tao man na nakakakilala sa amin, I am very confident na talagang hindi sila magde-deny. Kasi they saw that sa aming magkakapatid kahit nung mga students pa lang kami. So anyway, during those times in MSU, it could get very hard. Ako kasi guys, scholar ako Scholar ako ng isang private organization and they were sending me to school and they were giving me allowances pero just enough. So may mga araw, may mga months talaga na sobrang hirap, na walang-wala talaga ako. And during that time, ako kasi, I grew up na hindi ako pala hingi. So, hindi ako pala hingi na kapatid. So, yung ate ko, nagkaroon siya ng thinking na, etong kapatid ko na to, hindi siya hihingi hanggat sa hindi niya na kaya talaga. So, during those times na humihingi ako sa kanya, na back up, talagang walang-wala talaga ako guys. And hindi naman talaga naghindi yung aking ate. Kasi, yun nga, she is being an eldest sister. Wala kami masyadong memories together, to be honest with you. Kasi bata pa lang yung ate ko guys, nagkahiwalay na kami dahil nga working student siya. Hindi namin siya nakakita masyado sa bahay. So meron talaga kaming gap, meron talaga kaming space doon na parang I don't know her. I only know her sometimes or I only know her na pwede kong takbuhan kasi ate ko siya. Yun lang. Other than that, wala talaga akong alam. And then I finished my studies and kinausap ako ng ate ko, ni Ma'am Sheena, na kung okay lang ba ako mag-abroad kasi wala na talaga kami nakitang pag-asa guys. Parang pagka-graduate ko ng education, parang mahihirapan talaga ako makakuha ng item during those days. So sabi ng ate ko, gusto mo bang mag-abroad? Kasi kung gusto mong mag-abroad, Thailand yung target natin and then uuna ka. So gagastusan kita kasi nag-saving siya and then pag nandun ka na and then okay, pwede na akong sumunod. Ganun yung naging usapan. And so long story short, nag-work ako sa Thailand. And during the days, the years na nandun ako sa Thailand, ay pinasunod ko yung ate ko. May times na pumunta siya and then nalungkot siya, kailangan niya umuwi and then bumalik ulit siya. And during the second time na bumalik siya, tumagal na siya ng Thailand. So we had few memorable moments together in Thailand. Pero dahil nga sa work, dahil sa distances, dahil sa aming schedule, hindi rin kami makapag-catch up together talaga ng bongga. But then, through the years, dahil nga doon sa, meron na kaming group sa Facebook, we have that, kaya hindi man kami nakikita ng personal. Meron kaming time na nakakapag-usap, nagbibiruan, ganun. I do believe our relationship grew more nung nagkasama kami sa abroad ng aking ate. We had a time to catch up with each other. We had time to know at least a little bit of each other's problem. Hindi naman lahat. Kasi kahit na magkapatid kami guys, merong best friend yung ate ko, meron din akong best friends na sumbungan, ganun. But she was and always has been a big sister. She always had that look na she is our eldest sister. Na parang very, very stern, quite, yung parang direct to the point. Then I spent a lot of time abroad. I worked a lot of time abroad. Then, I separated with her after 10 years kasi lumipat. So, when I was in Africa, ayan, 3 taon din ako doon, I was able to communicate with them still. Hindi man masabi na talagang ma-feel ko yung closeness namin. Pero at least we are really trying, guys. I think dahil na din sa maturity as time goes by, dahil na din sa yung pagbabago ng mga priorities mo habang tumatanda ka. So, mas lalo mong na-appreciate yung mga kapatid mo kahit hindi kayo nakikita. My sister and I, we did not get to travel in international trips na magkasabay kami. May mga trips siya na nagawa niya kasama yung kapatid ko na si Madam Ten Gives, but I never traveled with her, and I really planned and I really wanted to, which happened recently no nag-travel kami. But you know what, guys, let me mention to you na sa mga special moments ng buhay ko, my sister never failed to send her thoughts by sending flowers and note. Yun yung love language ng ate ko sa aming magkakapatid. Ang love language niya is bulaklak talaga na merong note. So, in those big moments in my life, when those people that I expected na will be there for me and will be the one to appreciate me, they were not there. But my sister never failed to make me feel appreciated regardless. Ganun kasarap magkaroon ng kapatid. Ganun kasarap magkaroon ng ate. Ganun kasarap magkaroon ng isang pamilya na kahit gaano sila ka-busy. Long story short, my marriage failed for the second time. The first time my sister was there, though hindi kami masyadong nagkasama physically during those times ng first failure ko sa tatay ni Kahil. But my sister showed me bias ako dahil nga dun sa failure ng marriage ko sa tatay ni Kahil, my sister was there. Sabay kaming nang hakot ng gamit ko, sabay kaming, actually sinabi nga ng kapatid ko sa akin kunin mo na yan, pati yung mga binigay sa akin, pero I'm not that kind of person. If hindi ko gusto yan, hindi ko feel na dalhin yan kasi wala na, I called it off, hindi ko talaga dadalhin. So, dadalhin ko sana yung kotse kaso mabigat. Pero hindi ko dinala yung kotse namin that time ng tatay ni Kahil kasi nakapangalan din yun sa kanya. So, okay lang. Anyway, let's go back sa part na nag-fail na naman yung marriage ko sa Africa. My sister, Sheena, was there all through those hard times. So, hindi ko masabi sa kanya lahat kasi I don't want my siblings to feel hurt or pain. Kasi mahirap din kasi i-explain sa kanila yung ibang mga bagay na pinagdaanan ko. But, she never made me feel that I was alone. She always made me feel that you can talk to me and I am here for you. If you don't feel appreciated, I do appreciate you. Kahit sa Africa, guys, nagpapadala ng bulaklak sa akin yung ate ko. She sent me flowers when it was my birthday na never ginawa ng tatay ng mga anak ko. Kasi nga, dun sa part na hindi pa ako ready i-discuss sa inyo, which is yung narcissistic personality disorder part. I don't want to go there muna. Pero, just to mention, guys, all those events that was supposed to be celebrated with me or celebrated for me ay hindi talaga celebrate. So, isa yan sa mga red flag. Those very big moments in my life na kailangan kong gumawa ng napakalaking desisyon, my family never doubted me sa mga final decisions ko, sa mga bagay-bagay. And of course, my eldest sister showed me the same support na merong thinking yung mga kapatid ko na hindi magdidesisyon si Princess ng ganyan kung alanganin. Ibig sabihin, pag nagdesisyon siya, tapos na yan, sigurado na yan. Kasi ilang beses na to, guys, it's not the first time I did a decision for myself and a decision for my children. Long story short, again, mag-jump tayo kasi masyadong mahaba. My sister knew I'm coming back home. I told them that the marriage failed and there was no respect left in our marriage, and I believe it's better for us to be separated. Ayan, I already saw a lot of disrespect that I know nobody deserves in marriage. A man or a woman who is married doesn't deserve those kinds of treatments. So, nung sinabi ko na uuwi ako, talagang very supportive yung mga kapatid ko. Very supportive yung mama ko. Yung mama ko, guys, ang sinabi lang talaga ng mama ko, come home with the children. Yun lang talaga. At umuwi ako, guys, walang judgment. Laging andyan yung mga kapatid ko sa airport. They never judged me sa mga desisyon na ginawa ko at kung ano yung resulta ng mga desisyon ko. But they never failed to show me as well na andyan sila palagi. And this tribute as well, this tribute episode for our eldest sister is a chance for me na sabihin sa inyo kung meron kasing mga tanong-tanong no, kung naiinggit ba ako or do I feel in any way insecure with my siblings. For me, it's not insecurity. It's not jealousy. For me, it's more of admiration and inspiration for me. I am inspired with all my siblings kasi meron silang kanya-kanyang traits na iniisip ko sana meron ako. Okay? Meron silang mga positive na mga characters na iniisip ko, I wish I could train myself to be like that as well. So they are my motivation. They are my inspiration. I look at them and I don't feel any jealousy sa puso ko. Wala ako yung feeling na inggit. Wala akong feeling na galit. Kasi I have seen all my sisters struggle from the ground. I all saw them. I all watched them struggle from scratch. Struggle from scratch. Okay? So wala talaga kapag anong klaseng kang kapatid, pag nakita mo na hindi tumihaya yung kapatid mo at nagising na merong bagong kotse or hindi lang nakatunganga yung kapatid mo and then paggising meron na siyang sariling bahay. No, it did not happen like that. I saw the sacrifices, I saw the pain, I saw the cries, I saw the sleepless nights ng mga kapatid ko para ma-achieve nila kung ano yung meron sila ngayon. And yes, all my siblings has their own characteristic. Meron silang kanya-kanyang quality na talagang na-appreciate ko. But let's go back to Ma'am Sheena. Kung ano yung character niya na gustong-gusto ko. Number one, of course, when she shows her love to other people that she cares for. She doesn't stop there. Yung mga puso ng mga kapatid ko, guys, very giving. Yung mga puso nila, very concerned. Kahit na hindi naman sila kailangan maging concerned pa. Kahit na sila ay isang boss or isang employer, they don't act like that. They act more of a sister, more of a family. All the time, guys. Parang naka-wire na sila doon. Parang naka-wire na kami doon that we cannot stop our heart and our brain to think about other people. It's not because we have a lot. It's not because we want people to appreciate us. No, it is because we've been there. It is because we know how it is to have nothing. Yun yung pinakarason doon. And if we can let other people that we trust, let other people that we care for, do not feel those things that we felt before, why not? In any way we can help, we would. Okay? So, for my sister, ayan, Atchi, tinatawag namin siyang Atchi, guys, and she has her own YouTube channel. Supportaan nyo naman siya, guys. Kahit na mabagot kayo ng konti muna sa umpisa kasi nag-training pa lang siya. Ito ang kanyang YouTube channel. Ayan, Atchi. She is our Ate Sheena. Short is Atchi. You can call her that. She will be happy. And of course, masayang-masaya siya, guys, pag pinapanood niyo yung mga videos niya, pag nagko-comment kayo sa mga TikTok namin, mga sayaw niya, mga reels, ganon-ganon. She's very, very happy. And I see my sister really happy and I'm grateful. I'm grateful for the love that you are giving me and my family. So anyway, like I said, ano yung character? Ito yung pinaka-golden question for this tribute. Ano yung character ng aming eldest sister na I would like to have? Okay, ang dami. Ang dami. I like to be as organized as my sister when it comes to records. She is extremely organized, lalong-lalo na sa business, lalong-lalo na sa mga accounts niya, lalong-lalo na sa kanyang mga source of income. She is organized. I love that about her and I would love to be like that. Pero hindi kasi ako masyadong yung tao na I pay attention to details, especially pag numbers. Mabilis ako mapagod nun, guys. Number two, I like my sister when she loves people. She loves people purely. Sometimes nakikita ko that some people are not really having that sincere attention for my sister, but my sister chooses to love very fast. My sister chooses to trust very fast. And when I feel like this person is not supposed to be trusted because she's doing something that is not okay, I tell her. Pero kung may mas...
Is there someone in your bathroom?
No po, you can go inside. If there's something that I really like about her is she can love very fast. And I feel bad about that sometimes kasi mas nasasaktan yung ate ko pag nakikita niya or nalalaman niya, tinatridol siya ng patalikod. Kasi yung ate ko, guys, yung pagmamahal niya, sincere is... apakagaling niya sa art. There's these arts na gustong-gusto niya, like yung diamond painting, yung kanyang cross stitch, and it shows me extremely being patient ng isang tao. Kasi to make us cross stitch, guys, na sobrang liit, tapos gagawin mo siyang malaking picture for my sister to to sit down for a couple of hours just working on her cross stitch. Talagang iniisip ko, I wish I could do that as well. I really wish I could do that as well. Kasi I see my sister from afar and she's at peace. She's at peace and she's very confident and comfortable with her own space alone. She doesn't need anyone. She doesn't crave for anyone, but she's just there sitting, doing her own work, doing her cross stitch. She's patient when it comes to that, and I cannot even imagine myself doing that kasi you have to be meticuloso ka dapat pag nagko-cross stitch ka. Yung kulay, yung gawa mo dapat malinis. Minsan tinitingnan niya pa sa likod kung gaano kalinis sa likod. She chooses a very nice pieces ng cross stitch. She focuses more on the beauty of women. Marami siyang mga project na natapos na mga babae yung kanyang subject sa kanyang cross stitch. So that one, I really admire my sister for that. Number 4, my sister has the heart of a big sister. She's really meant to be the eldest sister. Kasi yung puso niya, guys, pang-ate talaga. Yung utak niya pang-ate talaga. And when she decides and when she speaks, she's really the big sister. And I feel happy and I feel blessed kapag meron kaming makakakilala na mga friends na immediately nagugustuhan ng ate ko kasi immediately nagkakaroon sila ng instant ate. Alright? So, I don't want to cry on this episode, but I really want... Naiiyak. I don't want to cry in this episode, pero I just want you guys to feel how much I appreciate my sisters. Lalong-lalo na yung eldest sister ko. For her to... Sabi ko, hindi ako iyak. For her to never judge lahat ng mga decision ko sa buhay, lahat ng mga pagkakamali ko. Instead, she loved me more and minahal niya ng bongga yung mga anak ko. So, para sa akin, guys, it's okay na hindi talaga ako maiiyak, guys, sa video. Alam niyo yan. It's okay na single parent ako kasi pinupunuan ng mga kapatid ko yung pagmamahal para sa anak ko. So anyway, like I said, this is a tribute for my eldest sister. I really appreciate you. I love you. And I do pray na mas marami ka pang birthdays kasi we really want to spend our life and our travels together with you. And ngayon nga nawala siya, guys. Na-miss namin siya. Parang iniisip namin, hoy, tawagan nyo kasi aalis tayo ngayon. Pero wala pala siya dito sa Jensen. Nasa Thailand pala siya. Sabi nga namin, pagbalik niya sana, meron na 2 na sila, no? Ang isa nasa tiyan niya na. So, we are praying for that. Huwag kang ma-pressure, sis. Okay lang, kami lang to. Anyway, yeah, we love you very much at maraming salamat for being there for us. Maraming salamat at ikaw yung ate namin. Maraming salamat at hindi ka madamot. Hindi ka madamot sa pagmamahal mo na dahil kami lang yung kapatid mo, kami lang yung aasikasuhin mo, no? At alam niya ng lahat ng mga nakapalibot sa kanya. You guys are blessed. Blessed to have a Chi in your life. So, pag hinabaan ko to, guys, baka masyado lang akong iyak ng iyak dito sa video na to. Pero anyway, sana naintindihan niyo po yung puso ko, yung gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. It's having a sister is a blessing. Having a sister is a gift. And for you guys out there na hindi nyo pa nare-realize yan, sana ay ma-realize ninyo very soon kasi we only have one life. When we die, we die. Wala na tayong second chance, guys. Wala nang playback, wala nang repeat, wala nang reset. So, appreciate those people in your life. Appreciate those people in your life. Tell them how much you love them. Tell them how much you appreciate their effort, their love, their sincere care for you guys. Kasi it's not easy to find someone na ganyan. Kahit I'm going to shower next. So, kadugo nyo man or hindi nyo kadugo, if they show you love and sincere yung intention nila sa inyo, please find time to appreciate them. At sana, guys, meron kayong natutunan sa video na to. Ayan si Chico, say hi. Sana meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Let me know what you think down below. Kung meron lang kayong mga ate dyan or meron lang kayong mga stories about your sisters, I would be happy to read them. Pakilagay na lang sa comment section down below. And please, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-like, subscribe, pakilike, subscribe naman at pakisampal ng ating bell button dyan para masundan nyo ang kwento ng aking buhay as single nanay sa aking 4 na napaka-cute na mga kulot, half African, half Filipino children. This is Princess Higa once again, you guys, and I'll see you on the next episode. Much love from the Much love from the
Dad.
Yiga.
Dad.
Bye guys. Say bye-bye.